We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. We are marking up BTC, USD. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. So we do have price action. Last candle market is a bearish candle. Price is trying to work its way down. Price action high. We do have price action high and price action low. So if price is respected with this midpoint and works its way up, you see that market's coming from that first leg, second leg, third leg, and we look for that engulfment pattern here with a bullish candle after the price action to push this market up for that W. After that, we'll probably look for the break and retest if it pushes up further. If not, that price action is coming down, coming from 1, 2. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market came back for that fourth leg, created that M pattern, pushed back up for the retest, and market could be coming down. So market could be coming from a double top and a retest, overall triple top of that area. And that's a weekly time frame to see what's going on. On the weekly time frame, price action, bearish candle. So price trying to return back to that area of the midpoint line of the overall from the monthly time frame. You see what price action at. Price action highs, price action lows. So price is currently at that midpoint of that area. So we're looking for a pattern to form to see if that market's going to push up or push down. If that market pushes down, price action is coming from this area here, which would be a double top. So let's draw out what we see. So if we think about putting a midpoint, that overall structure of highs and lows, midpoint, market did a double top, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg broke, came back to retest, pushed down once, pushed down twice, pushed down 3 times, couldn't break this area, came back for a retest, now coming back down for a 4th time so far. So price action at the midpoint line in that area, so price action is working its way for the break to the overall midpoint line. If it comes down, then we'll see that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market push down, so market's coming from that triple top of that area. We add this quadruple top of that area. Head down to the daily time frame to see what's going on. On the daily, price action, last candle on the market is a bearish candle. So price action is at the midpoint of the area too. So price action highs, price action lows. You can clearly see the midpoint is right here. We can see that market's coming from the decline of the W, the M pattern, first leg, second leg, third leg, market push down for that fourth. We have a double top, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, can push down one more time for a fourth retest. If not, that market is going to be respected or can be respected for the incline, and we'll be looking for that first leg, second leg, as we can see, third leg, and market breaks that midpoint. We'll see that fourth leg, and we'll be looking for a retest for that market to push up further. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour price action, the bearish candle. So you want this bearish candle to break the previous second, third, fourth candle in the market. So we're looking for that candle to engulf the downside for the closeout, or engulf to the upside for the close up, push that market up or down. If that market's going to push up from this area, so let's say if this price action is respected, we can see that price is coming from the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, came back to retest, market pushed up. So market's coming from a triple bottom. But it's at the midpoint now, so once we get that break to the top side, we can see market going to head back up to this area of resistance. So we'll see that full formation of the triple bottom. If not, price going to be rejected here, drop down for the decline. So we'll be seeing the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, market coming back. So that's the break and retest. Market broke, came back to retest, We look for the engulfing pattern here. The price action candle has to close out below the 1, 2, 3, 4th candle in the market to engulf, close out, and that market is working its way down further. Get it down to the 3. Let's see what's going on. On a 3-hour time frame, price action. 4 hour, 3 hours, really the same thing. You want the price action candle to be above this huge green candle here to engulf the breakout, or breakout to the top side or the downside of that area. So let's walk down the structure to see what we see. Get it down to the 2 hour. So you can see price is working his way up. He's got an area of support. So he's breaking and retest. Doing a break and retest. Get it down to the 1 hour. Same. So 3, 2, 1 is already the same thing. You still look for that price action candle to engulf this long doji or this long candle, bullish candle, green bullish candle, to work its way up or down. Get it down to the 45. 45 is really the same thing. Get it down to the 30. So price action, we have the high, we have the low. This price action is sitting right in that midpoint of that area. So it's actually just broke it down a little bit below. So we get to close out, we start seeing that work its way down. Not, it'll create that support. So it's in an area of consolidation. We're waiting for that market to break out this area. Either respect this and go up, or respect the resistance and come down. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame to see what's going on. So 30, 15, all reading the same thing. We still looking for price action to break down further. Headed down to the 5. And we have some support in the 5 in this level here. So let's read what's going on. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, where I can push down for that 4th. So that's that double top of that area. So price action at that midpoint of the high and low of the midpoint. So now we get to see a lot clearer on the 5-minute. So what price action is at, if it's respected, if it breaks, we're looking for the break retest, market work its way down. So market's coming from a double top of a retest. If not, then price will be respected of this area here. So we'll be identifying that first leg, second leg, third leg, and respect this area here. So we look for an engulfing pattern to the bullish side. Green candles work its way up for that W formation. Head down to the 3-minute time frame and see what's going on. Price action just consolidating on the 3 minutes. So we look for that engulfing pattern to the upside or downside of that area for that market to push up or push down. Headed down to the 1 minute. Same as well. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Also, breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys. This is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. BTC USD.